Have you ever wondered if you can earn free money? The answer is yes, you can. And the best part is, you can do it without any effort, without any experience, and without much time spent. We're going to show you today how you can make free cash. In fact, you can make $5,610 every single week. Yeah, you heard that right. You don't need any technical skills or any prior experience. Even an absolute beginner can benefit from my unique methods. Stay to the end of the video because I'll show you how. The internet is a great place to earn money. You have several opportunities to make money without leaving the comfort of your home. Now, there are different ways to get this free money instantly. I give you the best 4 methods. They're all legit and easy. First, online research. Are you good at using Google to find specific information? If so, there are plenty of opportunities for you to make money online for free. Many companies in different industries hire web researchers to find the most relevant and dependable sources of info for them. Then, they share that info with their clients to help them make informed business decisions. You can apply to work on their tasks. All you need is a computer and internet access. Here are some companies that regularly look for online researchers. Wonder hires virtual researchers to find quality answers to the questions posed by its clients. Tasks may involve gathering statistics, explaining market trends, or determining competitive landscapes. 10EQs hires industry experts who can research and answer questions relevant to their particular industries. If you have extensive knowledge of an industry, you can apply to join 10EQ's team of experts for an opportunity to work on live research projects. Second, review websites. Another way to make money online for free is to review websites for cash. Some companies offer people payments and free products to leave testimonials on their sites. Other businesses pay people to examine the quality and performance of their website. When reviewing websites, you'll usually examine the site's functionality and how fast it loads. The amount you earn will be dependent on the marketplace you work with and the testing methods you use. In most instances, you'll earn more if you're willing to do one-on-one testing sessions with clients over video conferencing. Here are some companies that you can join. User testing for app, website, and user experience testing. Try My UI for impression and survey-based testing. Testbirds for digital product, store, and mobile app testing. None of these companies require you to pay a sign-up fee, so you can start reviewing websites and making money without any investment. 3. Online focus groups. Do you enjoy sharing your insight and opinions with people? Take part in paid market research studies to make $50 per hour or even more. Focus groups are normally used to determine people's attitudes towards specific products, branding, or ideas. Participants may also be asked about their opinions on competing products or businesses. Focus groups can be conducted in person or online, but generally are free to join and pay participants handsomely. Some of the places you can look for focus groups include user interviews, respondent, L&E research, 2020 panel, take part in research. Usually, there'll be a moderator in the group to guide discussions, take notes, and record the session. If you join an online focus group, you should be able to participate in the discussion via video software on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. 4th, sell your photos online. If you regularly take photos or have lots of images on your hard drive, you can sell them to stock agencies to earn some money. You'll receive a commission every time someone downloads one of your photographs, either a fixed amount or a percentage as determined by the stock image site. Best websites to sell your photos online: Burst, Shutterstock, Alamy, iStock. If you build a nice collection around a particular theme, you can earn a good amount of money from it. And the best part is, every image you upload can be sold again and again, though some websites might require you to make the photos exclusive to their platform. The opportunities to earn money online without investment are only becoming more abundant. You can work as an affiliate, start a YouTube channel, offer social media consultancy, or sell your photos online. It takes little effort and time. Plus, you get almost instant results. That's it for today. If you like this video, do watch our next video about making easy money online. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.